student of this institution, Career Companion. There has computer diploma and English spoken course, and this institution is one of the best institution in Delhi. And I am talking about my own experience, so that this institution is very good for other institution. So please join this institution for your bright future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Joyla and I am a student of Career Companion Institute. I have been learning English and computer for personality development in this institute, and I have developed a lot of skills. Like I have increased my confidence level, my speaking skills, my learning skills have improved a lot, and through the computer classes I have learned a lot. I have learned many things in this institute, as well as the teachers here are very good. They are very professional and they are very friendly to the students, as you can speak about anything and you can talk very frankly to the teachers. And if you want to learn computer, if you want to improve your English in a better way for a better future, please come and join this institute. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh. I am one of the students of the Career Companion Institute. And this institute was the best institute in the South Delhi. According to me, this institute has the teachers as a very intelligent and self-motivated and disciplined. And in this institute, we know about new things and we communicate the people without fear. And I suggest to please join the institute for better future. And thanks a lot. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Shani. I am a current student of Career Companion School Institute. I am learning English and English speaking course and computer class. Like the teacher of English computer class and English and computer class teaches very nicely and practically like debate, presentation, and I can suggest that all people join this.
Hello everyone, my name is Isha. I am a student of Career Companion. I have been learning here English and computer classes. It is the best institute in Delhi because it is unique for the teaching method. Teaching method is very practical. The best part I love the friendly environment. So I improve myself taking debate sessions, presentations, group discussion. I also.
Hello everyone, I am Sachin Yadav. I am a student of Career Companion from last few months, and I am learning here English. And the teachers of Career Companion are too good. They are very supportive and friendly. And in English class we are doing debates, presentations, and group discussions also. And they teach us too many things. And in my experience, this is the best institute of Delhi. And I suggest you to all to join the class. And thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Manisha and I am a student of Career Companion. I have been learning English and computer, and it is very good institute as the teachers are professional and practical. So I suggest you to join here for your bright future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am currently a student of Career Companion Institute. This institute is one of the best institute for learning English speaking course and all computer courses. Currently I am joining this institute for English speaking course, and I improved my confidence level. This institute teachers are so friendly and so good. I suggest you all join this institute for bright future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Randish. I am a student of Career Companion. Here are lots of things